Whew. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time, or good night, whichever time span you're watching this one. We're going to speak about KAHEIM DIXON. The big question is, should we be concerned or not? Well, for me personally, me kind of get a little bit nervous. Yeah, me kind of get a little bit nervous. Spoke with a few persons already, and them have the same feeling. Feeling is kind of mutual. Kind of mutual. But for me, I'm a little bit, I might not be as nervous as they are, maybe because of certain things, but I'm still, I'm still nervous. I'm still nervous. So big up on yourself, people. Please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for tuning in to another KAHEIM DIXON update. Medical complete. We all know KAHEIM DIXON. They moved to Charlton Athletic. A big store pop up. KAHEIM DIXON Charlton Athletic, and you know, Jamaicans, we love to see our youngsters making big moves. But no, it has gone pretty silent for a long time. He has completed his medical. Still haven't seen any much on that as yet either. But what's next? What is happening? What is the issue? Work permit. Now, this morning, I woke up, I saw a message from one of my good supporters on IG. Send me a message and I said, no, MG, look at this. Have a look at this. So let me just get that up so you guys can see what he sent me. This is what he sent me. And that's the reason I know me see it, me I say, oh. Yes, as we said, it actually does make me a little bit nervous. Oh, go on now in our show. In our pop-up. In our pop-up, people. Oh, go on. Just say me can fix it. Yeah. Gee, my apologies, people. Because I know so don't like when time, you know, things don't run smooth. Anyways, this that you're looking at is the CONCACAF Champions Cup squad for Arnett Garden. And look whose name is on the list. Number 24 forward, Dixon, KAHEIM Anthony. Common name, KAHEIM DIXON. I see that, me get nervous. Me say, yo, what going on now? What's going on? What's going on? I don't like how this make me feel. I like how this make me feel. Because I don't know, say, work permit is not necessarily something I can really get quite easily. And I said, this get me, this kind of tip the nervous scale a little bit higher. This tip the nervous scale a little bit higher, and I say, yo, sir, Premier said, boy, this have to go through, you know. Me need this to go through. So when I went over to KAHEIM DIXON's profile, this is what I saw him post. This is what I saw him post. This is what KAHEIM DIXON post. Actually, this morning as well. This morning as well. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. I'm going to say, you know, I never remember say, the youngster is a God-fearing youngster, and he believes in himself, he has faith. And from me see that, I say, you know what? It's all in God's hand. And if it's to be, it will be. But I'm slightly nervous same way, no? Slightly nervous same way. But the important thing is, from what I know, the agent at this moment, his agent at this moment is in England. So I assume that this is what they are working on at the present moment. And a report came out earlier that the agency saying he's trying to get it completed by the end of August. He wants to get the work permit completed by the end of August. So maybe there's a little bit of issues they're trying to iron out, I would assume. But at the end of the day, it's still not it's still in a good position. The world knows what's happening. As I said, I'm not sure if we not see no information surrounding medical, but yeah, he actually passed his medical, and he's in a good mood. I won't allow myself, because I'm nervous about the situation, to drag myself in a bad mindset about the situation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stay positive. I'm trying my best to stay positive surrounding the situation, because at the end of the day, we all want this to happen. We want this to go through, and as soon as possible as well, because this is a youngster that we see playing football for us, and we say, you know, he has the potential. We want to see him get that big break. So that is the update where KAHEIM Dixon is concerned. The big question is to you in the comment section who's watching right now: are you nervous about the situation? Are you worried because of the long lull period where you weren't hearing anything, haven't heard anything as yet either? But we just are going a little bit of reassurance, and you know, yeah, medical is sorted. The agent is in England, doing what he's supposed to do, I assume. And the player, based off the post that he make, is quite confident. Now, him being registered to Arnett Garden now, that could be a case in which Arnett Garden, the player hasn't officially been registered by Charlton Athletics, so Arnett Garden can't necessarily take him off their books. So you know what they did? They said, you know what, let's just register him just in case it does not happen. God forbid, not glass. It does not happen. They still have the player to play the CONCACAF Champions Cup. So it's a bit of here and there for Arnett Garden. Just a little bit of assurance, should I say security, to ensure that they have the player, and if anything happened, the player is back, but they can't play because he was not registered. So I just do think that Arnett Garden registering him on the CONCACAF website, a part of their squad, is just maybe a bit of reassurance or security to protect themselves, that whenever the competition starts, in the event things don't work out as though with player, they can have him just the same to protect themselves, and so that they can have all their better players. So for that, that's the aspect where Arnett Garden is concerned. For me, I'm feeling, but because of the player, I'm kind of just hopeful. I pray that things work out for him. I really, really want this big break for him, actually. Anyways, so people, tell us what you think in the comment section. I know someone will go fret. Me not fret still, you know. Me hopeful. Slightly nervous, but me hopeful. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Massive respect, people. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Enjoy your Sunday, people. God bless. We're out. Boom. Now, big up yourself every time, all the time.